service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, until 4:45 a.m. At 11:16 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Lakeport to 13 nautical miles west of New Baltimore to near the Ambassador Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near. Frost ranked around 11:35 p.m. New Baltimore around 11:40 p.m. St. Clair around 11:55 p.m. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Here is the forecast.